Hello and Namaskar, welcome to the Anvi Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these lovely beetroot cutlets. So let's get started. Here are the list of spices that we are gonna be needing for this recipe. About 350 grams of beetroot, 2 green chilies and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 350 grams of boiled potatoes, some mixed spices and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the mixed spices. Adding the dry red chilies, a stick of cinnamon, 2 pods of green cardamom, about 6 to 7 cloves, 2 teaspoon fennel seeds, 2 teaspoon whole cumin. Now I'm gonna dry roast the spices until it becomes fragrant. When it's done, I'm gonna grind them in a spice grinder. Now I'm going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of oil in this pot. Then gradually add the chopped beetroots in it. Chopping the beetroot reduces the amount of water released from it. I am going to saute the beetroot a little bit before adding the green chilies in it. I'm going to cook them together for some time and then add the ginger garlic paste to it. Mixing it all together and cooking it well. Add salt as per your taste. Adding salt at this stage helps the beetroot to soften up. Now I'm gonna cover and let it cook for some time. I have added the mixed spices and the red chili powder over here in this step. Adding in the boiled potatoes and mixing them all up together. I'm gonna mash the potatoes and mix it with the beetroot mixture. I'm gonna mash and mix until it becomes a dough. Mashing and mixing it well, I'm gonna let it steam for 5 more minutes. When it's done, I'm gonna be transferring this dough in a separate bowl and I'm gonna let it cool down before giving. You can give whichever shape you want. I have given a cylindrical shape. I have taken a little bit of the dough and by rolling it in my hand, I'm giving it a cylindrical shape. You can make them in a patty shape as well by rounding them up and then flattening it a little bit. Pan with oil. You can take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I have taken about half a cup of breadcrumbs in which I'm going to be dipping my cutlets and I'm going to be laying them in the pan and I'm going to be cooking them in the lowest flame. I'm going to be spraying some oil on top of them to coat it well, which step you can skip if you're using normal vegetable cooking oil. We are gonna carefully flip and cook each sides as we go. We are gonna give them a last flip. As you can see, it's already turning brownish color, which means it's almost done. So we are gonna be taking it out in a while. Calorie recipe, which means it doesn't require a lot of oil, which is why you can see we are directly taking it out on this plate and there is no release of excess amount of oil. See how beautiful these cutlets have turned out to be. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit before consuming.